Okay, look at, oh, we got a train table. Oh, wait, let's see. I think Santa might write R or G. What does this one say? This one says R. This is Rosie's. Rosie, what?
Hey,
Rosie, what is the? Can you hand me that one that you have?
yeah, this one.
Yeah, can you hand me that?
Yeah, I think that's mine. No, it's Mommy's.
No, let me look at it. I bet you it's probably Grace. Oh, this one's R too. Let's see here. Oh, Gracie, open a different one. G, here. Okay, open away.
This mine.
Yep, open up. Oh, it's a fishy nightlight. It's a fish aquarium with pretend fish. Look at that. That is so cool. What'd you get, Graysta? It's a money counting machine. Look at that. Grace, you can put your money in there and then
I got plenty of money.
Yeah, and it counts. Look at the top. It counts how much money you have. Isn't that cool?
Yeah. Let's see how many more presents I have. Oh! Let's cake.
Fishies.
Let's
Should we open up the presents and then we'll open up the boxes after? Here, this is Rosie.
Yeah.
And this is Grace.
I can't wait to see what's in here.
Yeah.
Here, too.
Christmas 2011.
This is what I always wanted.
What is it? Fazoodles! You can make little people and animals out of them. Do you like that?
Yeah.
Oh, look what Gracie or Rosie got. She got a little magic screen palm learner. Oh. Look at that. And Fazoodles. I bet you do. Okay, there's one for Rosie. And here's one for Gracie. Well, Santa sure is smart to put his picture on the present so you know it's from him.
He's smart, man. He's smart. He is smart, isn't he?
Oh, yeah. What is it?
I know.
Ooh.
Aww.
Ooh, a remote control car. Cool.
Daddy got a remote control car.
Yeah, you and Daddy can play with that. Look what Rosie got. It's a bunch of books, and then it reads them aloud.
Open it.
Yeah, you want to see?
Mommy, I want to have a present. I want some more.
I know you do.
I want some presents.
I know you do. Here, I just want to get this open for Rosie. See, look at all those books. There's Nemo and the whole crew. And then, look at Grace. Look at it reads the story. See, there's. Yes, we will. But first, we're going to open the rest of our presents. Okay?
What did you want?
Look at. Yeah.
Well, did you want to read this? You want to read that?
So you guys want to open the rest of your presents?
What? Yeah. This one's what? It always is great. No. Cheese it. Oh no. Mommy, how do you like this?
Well, I know those are really cool books, but how about we open the rest of our presents?
Okay.
Should we do that?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see.
Next.
What's this? There's one for Gracie.
Rosie, this one is for me.
Lion King.
This is my best Christmas.
Okay. Yeah, I know. There's another one for you, sweetie.
I got one. Wow. I have.
What'd you get? Oh, trace and draw projector. Look at that. It shines the light down on the paper, and then you can trace it so you can learn how to draw all these different animals. Isn't that cool? See, the light shines down, and then you trace. We'll show you later, okay?
Okay.
You'll like it, though. You can learn how to draw all sorts of animals. What do you think about that?
I love it.
Ooh, Rosie got a remote control car, too. A black one.
Black one.
Sweet. What's this? Oh,
And
this.
I got a red one. I like that.
Yeah.
Red one. One you one. One good. And black. I love presents.
I know it. What'd you get? What are they? What are they?
The new tag books.
Yeah, 2 new tag books, Dora and Tinkerbell.
I can't believe it.
What did Gracie get? Or Rosie, I'm sorry. What did Rosie get?
I want another one.
Okay, let's see what Rosie got first. Look at.
Mommy, can I get the ones in the Can I go get the ones in the back?
Yeah. Did you see what Rosie got? She got one of those books, like you guys have, but it's Dora.
I got the one.
Okay. Yep, that is yours, Rosie.
Look at Mommy.
You guys are hitting the jackpot this Christmas. You must have really been good this year.
We have been really excited for Christmas, Mommy.
I know.
My best Christmas ever. I really loved it. Mommy, let's see who this is.
Oh, okay. That's for you.
Me?
Yep. What is it? Is that a little dollhouse? You can... Whoa! Look at that! It's a little house, and it comes with a little mouse and a chair and a table, and isn't that cool? You can put your phone. Do you like that, Grace?
Mommy, is there any more presents?
Oh goodness! Let's appreciate the ones we're getting before we move on to the next one. What did Rosie get?
Mommy, is this mine?
Yes. What did Rosie get? Look at Rosie got a tea party set, and it's magic. When you fill the cup with water, it turns pink. See? Isn't that cool? We can have tea parties on the new table that Grandma Dee got you. Remember last night? We can have
Can
tea.
you drink that?
Yeah, you can drink water out of there. The cup turns pink, so it looks like there's pink liquid in there, but yeah, you can drink from it.
What's that?
What's that?
Open this up. Open this up. Open this up. Wow!
Hey, it's a magnetic responsibility chart.
Open this.
Look at this.
Open it up.
This is all these different things you can learn how to do. Clean up room, do homework, and then you get little well done when you do it every day, and then at the end of the week you get a prize. Does that sound like a cool thing to have? Like if you make your bed every day that week, then you get a prize at the end of the week.
And I can do all my homework.
Yep. So we're going to hang that up maybe in your room. Should we hang that up in your room, Grace? Okay, let's finish up opening the presents first. Who is this for? Let's see.
This one.
What did Santa? Santa wrote an R on that one.
I want another. Mine. It's mine. I want another.
What do you want? I think maybe Santa's presents are done, but I got you guys each a bag from Mommy and Daddy with a bunch of presents in it. So either you don't have to wrap them, you don't have to unwrap them all. They're just in a bag. This one is for Rosie. This is Rosie's. And this is Gracie's. Look at it, it's a little doggy in a bag.
Aww, honey.
And look at Rosie got a money counter too. Now whenever you guys get money, you can put it in there and save, and they'll count it for you. Ooh, rain boots for this winter. I mean summer. I mean spring. Or whenever it rains. So you can jump in the puddles with those. What do you think? Rosie got a zebra and you got a ladybug.
I love it. So that means that I get two ladies. So I got two. So Rosie got a ladybug and I got a ladybug. But
yes.
Look at this.
Oh, aqua pets. And we need to put batteries in those, but these little pets in their little water homes, they dance and they respond. When you talk,
I got one too.
Yep. We just got to put batteries in them, and then when you talk, they dance. Isn't that cool? And Gracie, this is a jewelry box for you with music and a dancing ballerina.
A dancing ballerina. Oh no.
And look at Rosie got a puppy in a bag too, and you can carry around your other stuffed animals in that bag if you want.
Aw, it's cute, Mommy.
Can you say, thank you, Santa?
Thank you, Santa.
And thank you, Mommy and Daddy, for the gift.
Thank you, Mommy and Daddy, for the gift.
The ones in the bag. All right, no problem.
Cute. Good.
Now it's time to open them all up and play. What do you think? Yeah. What are you doing, Grace?
I'm trying to... Mommy, open this up too. I need you to do something.
What?
I want to get this puppy up, but he's not. Not even with the tiny knife.
Oh, let me. I'll do it. You want more presents? Well, I think you got a lot of presents, but you will get some more presents today at Grandma's house, Grandma Lois's. What do you think about that?
Is Leo gonna come?
Yep, and he got you a present.
I can't believe we're gonna get presents. That's for the two. Yeah, both of us are gonna get presents. Wait. Those are my boots. Those are my boots.
Great, and Rosie has car rain boots that she got from Leo.
Where's my car boots?
I think they're in the garage.
Yeah. Mine is pink and yours is green. Oh.
Play some music.
I love it, Mommy. This is my best Christmas ever. Look at this.
It's a hooded princess towel. Now we have 2 princess towels. And Santa asked me to tell you that you girls share everything, okay?
Okay. Rosie, do you want a puppy of just like mine? Oh, yeah. Yeah, Rosie. Okay. Hi. say pie, please? Yeah, perfect yours. Rosie,